completely out of touch and insult the intelligence of the American people.
Luigi Mangione struggled to get a message out before being taken into a Pennsylvania courthouse for his extradition hearing. He came out calmer even as he was denied bail. Mangione is contesting an extradition order to send him to New York to face 5 charges, including second-degree murder for gunning down United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson on a sidewalk in Midtown Manhattan.
Where do I go? I guess
Mangione's lawyer said his client plans to plead not guilty to that and the weapons charges he's facing in Pennsylvania.
I haven't seen any evidence that says that he's the shooter.
But prosecutors disagree. When he was arrested Monday at a McDonald's, he had a gun, a silencer, and a 3-page manifesto criticizing the healthcare industry, writing these parasites had it coming. This image of an angry young man railing against the system is baffling to those who knew Mangione, an Ivy League graduate from a wealthy Baltimore family who was also the high school valedictorian.
The class of 2016 has been coming up with new ideas and challenging the world around it.
I can tell you that this is one of the last people you'd think would do something like this. You know, he was one of the nicest kids, most friendly kids that I had known at Gilman.
Some hints of trouble in Mangione's life. He stopped communicating with family about 6 months ago and was dealing with back issues. That he shared with a recent roommate in Hawaii.
I knew he was going to have a surgery, so earlier this year I checked in with him. He confirmed that he had surgery, and he sent me the x-rays. It looked heinous with just giant screws going into his spine.
These are the latest photos released of Mangione, including one moments before his arrest in Altoona, Pennsylvania. Maybe not the man his friends knew, but exactly who police were looking for.
Just from what we saw in the media with photos, videos, we just didn't even think twice about it. We knew that was our guy.
Mangione now has 2 weeks to contest his extradition, and a judge will decide if and when he'll be sent back to New York.
And Chris, as his case is playing out, there's still signs Mangione is gaining public support.
Absolutely. I mean, he's got a lot of defenders online. The McDonald's where he was arrested had to shut down their social media because they were flooded with bad reviews and accusations of snitching. And that's really put corporate America on high alert. Some threatening posters have been found right here in New York, including at the stock exchange, targeting other executives. In Chicago, a few businesses were hit by vandals, threatening their CEOs. Police in Colorado sent out a warning to businesses about similar threats, and that's prompted a few big companies like Blue Shield and CVS Health to take down information on their leadership altogether.
All right, Chris Reyes in New York.